Hi, if you want to install and set up Dynamic Island on your POCO X7 Pro, then we need to open Play Store and here choose this search bar and manually enter Dynamic Spot. Now you should see this app. If you found another app, you can of course install it as well, but in this video we are going to use this one. So let's tap install. And now we can open it, and of course we will need to grant some permissions. So let's tap next. And first thing we need to do is we need to select which apps can activate the pop-up. So in which apps we can see Dynamic Island. From here I'm gonna choose all of them and go back. After that we need to enable notification access. So here find your dynamic spot and choose to allow notification access. And of course we got this warning that this is highly sensitive permission, so just tap I am aware of the possible risks and then tap OK after 10 seconds. Now we need to draw on screen, so here from battery saver switch to no restrictions and go back again. Sometimes it can be lagging, so just tap it again and then tap next. And here we will need to go in downloaded apps, choose Dynamic Spot and tap to use Dynamic Spot. And we got pop-up warning as well. So as I said before, wait 10 seconds and then press OK. And that's it. Now we need to tap done. Here you can close ads by tapping cross, and we can actually adjust some settings, but many features could be unlocked with Pro version. So let's just close the app and try this out. So I'm gonna call myself to make sure we got Dynamic Island. And yep, actually we can see it now. So this line is Dynamic Island. Let me answer the call. And now Dynamic Island disappears. But now we got it, so that black line is Dynamic Island. And yep, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.